Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. So let's attempt this question guys and see what we shall get. And the question reads as follows. The ninth term of an arithmetic progression is 26 over 11 times the fourth term. If the sum of the first 20 terms is 1220, determine the Roman 1 first term, Roman 2 common difference, and Roman 3 average of the 15th and the 12th term. And so guys, we start off the question. So we look at this. The question states the ninth term of an arithmetic progression. What is the ninth term? The ninth term is supposed to be A plus not 9 but 8D. That is the ninth term. I hope you understand that. Because when you are talking of the first term, we say it is A, the second term is A plus D, the third term is A plus 2D, meaning that if it is the nth term, this one is always less. In other words, it's like this guys, it is actually supposed, for the nth term is A plus N minus 1D. That is the nth term. So when we talk of the ninth term, then this is what we get. Then we are told it is 26 over 11 times the fourth terms. So in other words, guys, this is equals to, you multiply 26 all over 11 by the fourth term. And the fourth term, using this formula, is going to be A plus 3D. That is the fourth term. So this is our first equation, guys. And then it says, if the sum of the first 20 terms is 1220, determine the. So the second equation we use is for the sum. And the sum is written like this. Sn equal to n all over 2. Then you have 2a plus n minus 1 d bracket. So this is actually the sum. And so following our text here, it says if the sum of the first 20 terms, meaning that our n is supposed to be 20, while our sum is supposed to be 1220. So we write here 1220 is equals to, now is 20 terms. That is n is equals to 20. Then here we have 2a. Then here we are going to have 20 minus 1, which is 19. Then d, like that. After that, guys, this is also another equation we have. So guys, now we have two equations with two unknowns, meaning that we can now be able to solve that equation. So before we attempt to do that, let's try to simplify the equations that we have. So going to the first equation, you can multiply this 11 on this side and then 26 on this side. So 11 on this side will be 11a plus 11, you cross multiply. This one is going to be 88d. This is equals to, multiply now 26 by that, it will be 26a plus now 26 multiplied by 3. 26 multiplied by 3, it will give us 26 multiplied by 3 equals to 78. So guys, we have 78 here. D. This one, D. So finally guys, to simplify it further, we can bring this 78 this side. So you'll have 88D minus 78, which is 10D. We can now bring this 11A this side, which now will have 26A minus 11A. This one now gives us 15A. So guys, I believe we have been able now to simplify that equation. Let's now go to the second equation, which is this. This one we can now come and say, so we can divide this one so that we now have 2020, that is 1220 is equals to 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10, then we have 2a here plus 19d like that. So now we shall have 1220 equals to now 10 times 2 is 20a plus 10 times 19 is 190d. So this is now our second equation now guys. So guys, now we come and just replace. We replace for a in this equation. For the a here is supposed to be 10d over 15. So we shall write 1220 equals to 20. For a we have said it's supposed to be 10d all over 15. Like that. Plus 190d. So guys, we are now left with only one unknown. So we shall get 1220 equals to now 200 divided by 15. 200 divided by 15 gives us 13.33. So this one gives us 13.33 now D plus 190D. So if we come now and add that 13.33 plus 190, that one gives us now 203.33. 203.33D. This one now gives us 1220. So our D is going to be 1220. That is 1220 divided by 203.33. This gives us 6.00009. So in other words, it's supposed to be 6. That is our solution guys. So we've been able to get our D now guys. So let's go and find our A. This is simple because guys, we just use this equation here. So that now we shall come and write 10D equals to 15A. So now you'll have 10 multiplied by D, which is now 6, equals to 15A. And this one, of course, is supposed to be 60, equals to 15A. And so our A, guys, is now going to be 60 divided by 15. 60 divided by 15, 60 divided by 15 gives us 4. So guys, we are able now to get our first term. And the question is asking first term. So we've gotten the first term. The common difference, we have already gotten that. So guys, here is my challenge. I have gotten that. I have gotten that. So can you now attempt to do Roman 3, where it says the average of the 15th term and the 21st term? Maybe to help you to do that, for the 15th term, guys, you are going to do like this. A plus, if it is 15, then you write 14D, like that. And then we have the 21st term. The 21st term is A plus 20D. And so for the average of those guys, we are going to add, and then we divide by 2. So guys, here is your challenge. Can you try and see what you shall get for that? And if you are not wrong in your calculations, you'll get the right answer. And that's why I have not written even the answer, so that guys, you can try and see what you get, or you see what the answer should be. So guys, thank you for listening to me. That's how that problem can be done. But guys, I think I could help you. Let's see what we can get, because I can see there is still time. So what we do, come and write A. Our A is supposed to be 4 now. Here we have 4 plus 14. 14 times D, that is 14. It will be 14 times now 6. So that one gives us 84. So we have 84 there. Plus, we come to the A again, it's supposed to be 4. Plus, 20 multiplied by D is 120. So all those numbers, now we come and divide by 2. Because now we are looking for the average. That is the average of that number and the average of that number. So this one gives us, if I go to the calculator, I'll have, let me push it a bit there. I'll have 4 plus 84, which now gives me 88. So the first of these numbers, that is the 15th, is supposed to be 88, like that. And the second number is supposed to be 4 plus 120. This gives us 124. So now the average of those numbers now is just adding. We add 124 plus 88. 124 plus 88 is equals to 212. Now you divide by 2, because there are two numbers. It's supposed to be 106. So guys, this is 106. So that is the average of those two numbers. And so guys, I can confidently now put my 106 here. This is now supposed to give us 106. I hope all is okay. Because remember guys that the 15th term is supposed to be A plus 14D, while the 21st term is supposed to be A plus 20D. And I think we've not made any mistake. And so that's how, guys, we do that problem. So bye bye. See you again.